Hello guys, welcome back to the AIME problem solution video. Today we have yet another question here, and as always, let's start off by reading the question. So, when each of 702, 787, and 855 is divided by the positive integer m, the remainder is always the positive integer r. When each of 412, 722, and 815 is divided by the positive integer n, the remainder is always the positive integer s, which is not equal to r. Find m plus n plus r plus s. Let's start off by finding m, and r. So, we can see that 855, 787, and 702 should all equal to r modulo m. From this, we can find the difference between these numbers, so we can move the component r. So we can see that 855 minus 787 is going to equal to 68, and same thing, and similarly to 787 and 702, we can find the difference between them, which is going to be 85. Now we can then factor these, so we see that 68 is going to be 4 times 17, and 85 is going to be 5 times 17. So we can see that they have a common factor here, which is 17. So we can safely assume that m is going to be 17 in this case. Now, we're going to plug in m equals 17 back into here, and we can see that 855, after doing some multiplication, we would find that 855 is going to equal to 5 modulo 17. So we know that r is going to equal to 5. Now we're going to do the same thing for n and s. So 412, 722, 815 are all going to equal to s modulo n. We're going to find the difference between them, so 815 minus 722 is going to be equal to 93, and 722 minus 412 is going to equal to 310. We can then factor these as well, so we get this one, 93 is going to equal to 31 times 3, and 310 is going to equal to 31 times 10. So we can also safely assume that n is going to be equal to 31. And like before, we can plug it into this equation here, so see that 815, after doing some multiplication, you can see that 815 is going to equal to 9 modulo 31. So now from this, we can also see that s is going to be equal to 9. So now we just need to add all four of these numbers together. So we see that 9 plus 5 plus 31 plus 17 should equal to 62. So the answer to this problem should be 62. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any other way to solve this problem, please let me know down below in the comments, and thank you guys for listening. Bye.